Thicken eyebrows at home. Eyebrows enhance the beauty of your eyes by giving the much-needed flair. The eyes are the focal point of your face, and they can be made even more exquisite by thicker eyebrows. The thin and sparse eyebrows may even make you look older and dull. Only some of us are gifted with thicker eyebrows naturally. Even then, we spoil our eyebrows by threading, waxing, plucking, using cheap cosmetics, etc. The eyebrows may become sparse and thin naturally due to health deficiency, aging process, or medical conditions. Eyebrows are one of the most noticeable parts of one's face. The thicker they are, more beautiful you look. But not all of us can lay a natural claim to thick eyebrows. Does eyebrow grow back? Yes, they do. The perfect and easy solution for naturally thickening the eyebrows is to use the home remedies with help of natural ingredients that you can get hold of effortlessly. Using the natural ingredient is the best solutions for how to thicken eyebrows and grow your eyebrows, because most of them do not have any kind of side effects and are 100% efficient. But it takes time when compared to the artificial means. The most of the natural ingredient used for the purpose of growing the eyebrows is coconut oil. Coconut oil works as a conditioner as well as a moisturizer and is great for improving blood circulation. The fatty acids found in coconut oil work with the natural proteins found in hair to protect it from breaking. The lauric acid present in it acts as an antimicrobial agent, preventing infection of hair follicles. The various proteins as well as nutrients like vitamin E and iron in coconut oil promote healthy and thick eyebrows. It also darkens the color of the eyebrows. You can apply coconut oil on your eyebrows every day, but using it even a few times a week can have noticeable results. The coconut oil can be used by applying it to your lashes before going to bed using an eyebrow brush or cotton swab and leave it on for overnight. Wash your face in the next morning with warm water. Continue this for at least 1 to 2 months to see the better result. Tips to grow eyebrows faster: do not overpluck your brows. It is also important that you stay away from frequent threading, waxing, or tweezing. Stop using any cream, lotion, or other synthetic products on your eyebrows. Exfoliate the skin surrounding your brows with a soft bristled brush to get rid of dead cells. Follow a well-balanced diet that is full of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Drink lots of water to flush toxins out of your body and aid the growth of eyebrow hair. Try to avoid using eyebrow makeup as much as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.